Hi, my name is Noni and today we will be making Thai basil. First thing we need is garlic and chili, 1 onion, a bowl of oyster mushroom, a bowl of fresh green bean, and of course Thai basil. Then 3 chicken breasts. Then we need soy sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce, and black soy sauce. First, we're gonna smack the garlic. When we finish with that, we add our chili. Now it's time to cut our onion. Now we need our mushroom. Now we tear them or cut them into the bite-sized pieces. Now we cut our green bean about 1 inch long. We are cutting the fat off of the chicken breast. Now we're cutting the chicken into small pieces. Now time to cook. Put some oil in the pan. Add our chili and garlic. Stir up in the pan. Add our chicken breast. Now time to add our sauces. Stir it up. Now we let it cook for 15 minutes. Now we add the onion. Stir and add black soy sauce. Now we add the mushroom and let it cook for 5 minutes. After that, we add our green bean. Finally, we add our fresh basil. Now we add more sauce except the black soy sauce. Now we stir it up. Now we finished cooking our Thai basil. If you want to check this recipe out, the link for my cookbook is below. Thank you.